Good afternoon, students. Today we will start exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Construct triangle ABC given that measure of angle A is 60 degree, measure of angle B is 30 degree and AB is equals to 5.8 centimeter. Students, let us draw the rough figure. This is the triangle ABC in which first of all we will draw a line segment AB of 5.8 centimeter. And at A we are having angle of 60 degree. At B we are having an angle of 30 degree. This is the rough figure we have drawn. Now we are going to construct the triangle. Now first of all we will draw AB of 5.8 centimeter that I have drawn. AB equals to 5.8. Now we have to draw at A 60 degree and B 30 degree. Now students, to draw these angles 60 degree and 30 degree, we can't use the protractor. We have to draw these angles using compass. You know very well how to draw the angle of 60 degree and 30 degree using compass. First of all, at A, I will draw an angle of 60 degree. How to draw it? Just draw an arc with A as center. With same radius, if we will draw the first arc, the two intersection of points, we will get an angle of 60 degree. Now, after joining these 2 points, if we will extend, we will get an angle of 60 degree. Students, you can check these angles with the help of protractor also. You have drawn correctly or not. Now at other side, that is at point B, we have to draw an angle of 30 degree. First of all, we will draw one arc with same radius. If we will draw the first arc, it is of 60 degree. Now we have to draw the 30 degree. So we will bisect it. So one arc from here and one arc from 60 degree, and the point where both the arcs will meet, we will get the 30 degree. When we will join this point and this point and we will extend this ray, we will get an angle of 30 degree. Now this is 30 degree. Students, now I will check it once using protractor. These angles are coming correctly or not. Now see, after drawing we should check once. Now it is coming correctly as 60 degree. Now other side at point B, the angle is coming correctly as 30 degree. So this point this is triangle ABC though. Meeting point of these two rays is point C. Therefore we can write triangle ABC is required triangle. Now moving to question number 2. Now question number 2 is construct triangle PQR. If PQ equals to 5 centimeter, measure of angle PQR equals to 105 degree and measure of angle QRP is 40 degree. Now students, first of all, what is given in the question? PR is 5 centimeter. So I am drawing the rough figure first. PQ is 5 centimeter. Now which angles are given to me? Angle Q. PQR means we have to see the center letter. Q is 105. So at Q, I have drawn a rough figure of 105 degree. And other angle is R. QRP means center letter is R. So angle R is 40 degree. That means this angle is 40 degree. But student, one problem arises here. The base is given as PQ and two other angles are given. That is angle Q and angle R. To construct this triangle, I want angle P. Otherwise, this construction is not possible. So, students, we will use the rule. By angle sum property of triangle, we know the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, we have the formula measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R equals to 180 degree. Now, putting the value of angle Q and angle R, and after calculation, we get measure of angle P equals to 35 degree. So, we got this answer here. At P, we have to draw an angle of 35 degree. Now, we are doing the construction of this triangle. Now, first of all, we will draw PQ of measurement 5 centimeter. Now, at P, we have to draw an angle of 35 degree. And 35 degree, you know, it is not a multiple of 15. So, we can't construct it. We have to draw it with using the ruler. That is protractor. Now I am keeping this center point at P. Now 35. Here line is on left hand side. So we will take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. So there is a point between 30 and 40, that is 35 degree. Now putting a dot on this. Now after joining this point to angle P, to point P, we will get an angle of 35 degree. On other side, that is at point Q, we have to construct an angle of 105 degree. Students, you know how to construct an angle of 105 degree. First, we have to draw an angle of 90 degree and 120 degree. You know, students, how to draw an angle of 90 degree. First, we will, at Q, we will put one arc. First is of 60 degree. Other arc is of 120 degree. Now, meeting bisector of 90 degree, bisector of 60 degree and 120 degree, we will get 120 degree. Bisector of, this is 60 and this is 120 degree, we get 90 degree. So we will draw this 90 degree temporarily because this is not our actual requirement. Now students, we have to see what is the bisector of 90 degree plus 120 degree. To find the bisector, we will use this rule, 90 plus 120 upon 2, that is 200 by 2, that is 105 degree. So if we'll bisect the angle of 90 degree from the main arc and at 120, we will get the 105 degree. So what we will do, we have to draw one arc from this point and one arc from 120 degree, and we will get 105 degree. So I am drawing one arc from here and one arc from here. So if we'll join these 2 points, this point and this point, we will get an angle of 105 degree. I will increase this ray, putting this arrow, and first ray I will also produce so that both the rays will meet each other at point R. So students, I will check with the help of protractor that my 105 degree is coming correctly or not. Now I am keeping the compass at Q and it is coming exactly 105 degree. So I will write 105 degree here. So this angle you can't draw with the help of D because 105 we can construct. So it is compulsory in the exam to construct an angle of 105 degree. So R is not required. If we calculate R will automatically come as 40 degree. Therefore, we can say, therefore, triangle PQR is required triangle. Okay, students. Triangle PQR is required triangle. Students, now moving to question number 3. Examine whether you can construct triangle DEF such that EF equals to 7.2 cm, measure of angle E equals to 110 degree and measure of angle F equals to 80 degree. Justify your answer. So first we will draw the rough figure. We have given EF equals to 7.2 and at E it is given 110 degree and at point F the angle is of 80 degree. So this is the rough figure we have drawn. Now we will draw the final figure. Now first of all we will take EF equals to 7.2 centimeter. We have drawn this line segment EF equals to 7.2 centimeter. At E we will draw an angle of 110 degree using protractor. Now 0 is from here, so we will check for 110 degree. Now put one point here. Now when we will join these 2 points, we will get an angle of 110 degree. Now at F we have to draw an angle of 80 degree. Now we will draw here 0 is outer line, so we will see 80 outside. Just put one point. When we will join these 2 points, we will get an angle of 80 degree. Students, you can see here, these 2 rays never meet each other. So construction of triangle is not possible. So therefore we will write construction of triangle is not possible. Why? Because you know the sum of 3 angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. But here sum of 2 angles is 110 plus 80 degree, that is 190 degree, which is more than 180 degree. So this construction is not possible.